guys, welcome back to Sanelly F channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to this channel, guys. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 13th to the 17th of January 2020. Inkinga yankunzi become worse than better, guys. From Abafazi about 4 to 0. If you have any advice for him, check the TSS below and leave your comment below. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.